केवल वीडियो ऑन करो, बिना वीडियो के नहीं होगा।
वीडियो
यस। जोरदार। कैसा?
बस एकदम बढ़िया। आप बताओ।
बस शांति शांति। पक रहे थे, सोचा कुछ नया कीड़ा चालू करें। तो ये वीडियो YouTube पे चढ़ाया जाएगा, सो हम अपशब्द का यूज नहीं करेंगे।
Are you sure?
We'll try to be very sophisticated and decent possible.
Okay.
आप पहले बक रहे हैं इस चीज के। सो आपको क्विज स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं 2-3 चीजें पूछना चाहता हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है?
And so it's good that we can work from home. So that's one thing. That there are people who cannot work because of the restriction. And the kind of nature of business we have, we can do. But at the same time, it's boring. After a certain time, you want to go office, right? We all are in the same situation. Kids want to go out of the home, but they cannot. So,
करेक्ट। तो अभी कौन सा प्रोग्राम देखा? रामायण महाभारत कुछ चालू किया?
सब देखे, मतलब पार्शियली रामायण, पार्शियली महाभारत, कुछ सीरीज, वेब सीरीज।
ओके। अब ये बताइए, अगर मैं आपको 3 ऑप्शन दूं, इनमें से कौन सा चीज आप चूज करेंगे? झाड़ू लगाना, बर्तन धोना, या फिर डस्टिंग करना?
थर्ड वन क्या था?
डस्टिंग करना, घर की साफ सफाई।
हाँ, डस्टिंग आई वुड प्रेफर।
ओके, ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्विज। सो हमने इसका नाम दिया है क्रिक फिरकी। सो जनरली क्वेश्चंस क्रिकेट के ही होंगे इसके अंदर। फॉर यू, आई हैव मेड इट अ लिटिल इजी because you are the first person to do that. There will be 15 questions, and out of these 15 question, पहले 10 question के 5 points होंगे, बाकी 11 to 15 के 10 points per question होंगे. So total there will be 100 points.
Okay.
आप सेंचुरी मार सकते हैं, हाफ सेंचुरी तो इजीली लग ही जाएगी, आई एम डैम श्योर। गूगल नहीं करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ, and you cannot ask any other person to help you out in that.
Agree.
Okay, ठीक है। So let's start with the questions. First question for 5 points. So tell me, सचिन की सेंचुरीज हमें पता है, बहुत सारी हैं.
Yes.
The highest century maker in all international cricket. Correct. How many centuries Sachin have?
100.
Brilliant. Yes, he has 100 centuries, 51 in ODI, 49.
Yes, in test. Yeah.
Correct. Nice start. Okay. Second question. Which of these countries, or let's skip this, which country has won most number of World Cups and how many? So which country has most number of World Cups and how many?
Australia. And I guess 4 or 5. 4.
It's 5.
It's 5.
Okay. I'll give you 5 points for this. Who's the second number highest? Any idea?
Second number is West Indies.
Okay. How many?
It's for say. I guess it's 2 each for West Indies and India.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
It's 2 each for West Indies and India. Okay. Third question. Who's the highest wicket taker in Test cricket? I'll give you 4 options for this. Shane Warne.
Muralidharan.
Damn, you don't need an option.
Yeah.
How many wickets he has?
800.
Nice. Did you do some research before this?
No. Not at all.
Okay. Fourth question. You are having 15 points right now. So, fourth question. Who will host 2023 World Cup?
It's Asian countries.
Okay, yeah, it's Asian.
Yeah.
You need to name one country. It's not Asian countries. It's one country.
I mean, it's India. India.
Yeah, it's India.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, this one is from Movie Kitty cricket history. Right. So in MCL1, if you remember, we played match against Infostretch, right? Where it went to the final over and all.
Yeah.
So tell me, who was the person from who the final boundary slipped and went away? Who was the fielder?
Wow.
It's a very famous case in Movie Kitty cricket history.
Sadiq.
No. Acha, let me give you a hint in this. Uski chappal tooti thi.
Kushal.
Yes, Kushal. So I'll give 5 points for this. Sixth question. So we remember that famous day when Kumble took 10 wickets against Pakistan, right?
Yes.
Very famous. Which was the ground? I'll give you one. I'll give you one hint. It's in India, and it's between all four metropolitan.
Chennai.
No.
Okay.
Strong answer. It's Delhi.
Okay.
Firod Shah Kotla. Right. Okay. Again, Movie Kitty history. Who was the captain of Movie Kitty team which went to Baroda, where I got the heart attack?
You were the captain.
No.
Jayesh was there.
No. It was Didi.
Okay.
Didi was the
wrong
captain.
question. Yeah. Wrong answer.
Right. Okay. Next is who is it's very easy, I guess. You got it. Whose nickname is Wall?
Rahul Dravid.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So Sharmila Tagore, who was his husband?
Patodi. Tiger.
Which Patodi? Can you tell me the full name of his? Which Patodi?
Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi.
Correct. 100%. Okay, from Patodi, I just got one more question. It's not in the quiz. According to you, who is the most laziest cricketer Movie Kitty ever had? Laziest. It's not a quiz question. It's
no. I mean, it should be between you and Didi.
Oh no!
Not Kishan Talati.
I mean, I don't count him in the Movie Kitty cricket.
Okay, I'll talk to Didi about this. Okay, 10th question. We remember the most famous six Miyada hit. The last ball.
Chetan Sharma.
You didn't even ask me to complete the question.
Yeah.
The question was who was bowling at the other end?
Chetan Sharma.
It was Chetan Sharma, yes. Cool. So you got 8 out of 10 in the first round. So that means you got 40. And now between 11 to 15, it will be a little tough ones.
Great.
10 points each. And if you succeeded till 80, I'll give you one bonus question also.
Good.
Cool. So first question, 11th question, that will be how many double century Rohit Sharma has? And there will be no suggestions or hints from my side.
It's 2.
It's 3.
3. Yeah, it was 2 or 3, but yeah, okay, no worries.
Wrong. Okay, 12th one. So it has 2 parts. One is who has and what has. So question is, who has the best bowling figure for India in ODI cricket, and what is that? If you answer 1, I'll give you 3 points. If you answer both the right, it's 10 points.
ODI.
Yeah. Okay, tell me the name only. I'll give you the 10 points.
I mean, it's between. It could be either Kumble or Zahir Khan.
Okay, wrong.
Wrong.
It's Stuart Binney with 6 for 4 runs.
Okay.
Bangladesh.
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So recently we had a World Cup in 2019.
Yes.
There were 2 players who took hat-trick. One was Trent Bolt and second was who?
Stark.
Okay, hint just for this question. He's an Indian bowler.
Sami.
Yes. Shami. Mohammad Shami against Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Yes.
Okay, 14th question. So, who was the highest wicket taker in 2011 World Cup? And there were 2 persons. They took 21 wickets in 2011 World Cup.
Hmm. 21 wickets. Zahir Khan.
Yes. Second.
And second. Johnson, Mitch Johnson.
No. Shahid Afridi.
Afridi.
So I'll give you 5 points for this for one. Okay, last question. Who's the only player in the history of international cricket to have received man of the match for its fielding?
Should be Jonty Rhodes.
Yeah, it is Jonty Rhodes. Okay, nice. So you have got total of 40, 45, 55 and 65 total points.
Okay.
I'll give you one bonus question which will have 10 points. Let's see if you can get it. Okay, so this is the boundary question. What did ABD broke for the fastest ODI century?
Shahid Afridi's record.
No. Corey Anderson. Corey Anderson made the fastest century, and after a few months, ABD Villiers made 28 balls century, and he made 41 balls, 149 or 148 runs.
Yeah, against West Indies.
Yes, against West Indies.
Okay.
Nice. So you have got 65. I'll see who can break this record.
Many people would be there. Come on.
But there won't be easy questions from there. There were few easy questions. If I'm picking Jayesh Thadani or Pasha Sheikh or Didi, it won't be these easy questions. It will be the averages which I will be asking.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Niran bhai. This is the first part. मैं YouTube पे post करूँगा. I'll keep you updated. और बाकियों से जब लूँगा तो let's see who break your record.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for that. And this will be this is a good initiative.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Milan bhai. See you.
Bye.
Bye.